Pay attention to what she just said. If you are some type of light worker, or you guide people through shadow work, or you are some type of metaphysical teacher, speaker, mentor, you're some type of spiritual entrepreneur, holistic healer, all of that stuff, I want you to pay attention. I'm going to write something on the board because I'm getting ready to show you how moving forward technology is going to affect your business, and you need to be ready for it, especially because Pluto is now in Aquarius. In 2025, we got 2 major planets moving into another sign. Things are about to make a major shift, and you need to be ready. Neptune is about to go into Aries, and Uranus is about to go into Gemini. Those are like generational shifts. Pay attention. Houston, we have a problem. As technology evolves, and it's going to evolve very fast, because that is what Uranus going into Gemini represents, a fast change in how we communicate. People are going to be using tools like ChatGPT, which is he's just the grandfather of this shit, okay? They're going to be using those tools even more to do like therapy. People are already doing it. They're using it damn near for therapy. They're using it for shadow work, like she said. They're using it as a guide. They're using it for the same things that you might be offering them. So you need to figure out, how are you going to stand out? Because that's going to be a problem for your business. How are you going to offer them something that is not what ChatGPT or some type of online tool can give them? Because right now, a lot of y'all are just communicating with them. You're just talking to them. You're not creating an actual experience. That's what you need to be thinking about. How can you create an experience that's different from just talking to somebody? Because you need to be irreplaceable. Correct? Correct. Let's move on. Solution. The solution is Pluto going into Aquarius, which is going to give us a major shift in our consciousness and in our desire for what? Community. I know I spelled that wrong. What you think it might be wrong, I'm about to get to that in a second. But what I want you to understand is that if you are in some type, if you are helping people do shadow work, and you are helping people, you're a light worker, and you're some type of woo-woo metaphysician or whatever, you need to be focusing on doing live in-person events, because that's what's going to make you stand out from ChatGPT. But I'm getting ready to break down the word community for you so you can understand how to do it. Hold that thought. Now, I know we passed 2 minutes, and I probably done lost some of y'all, but for the ones who are still hanging on, what I want you to understand is that if you want your business to succeed moving forward, you need to be doing live events. And I know some of y'all might be like, well, I tried to do a live event before, or I tried to do a retreat before, or I tried to do this and that before. I even tried to do a virtual event before, and I couldn't get a lot of people to come. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to go up to my bio, and I want you to take the Goddess Voice archetype quiz, because that's going to tell you where are you at on your speaker journey. And it's going to give you, according to where you are, it's going to give you a 1-page cheat sheet, like a little worksheet for you to actually do the thing that I'm advising that you need to do at that level. Okay. Now let's go ahead on and break down the word community. The word community itself is telling us how to get people attracted to our communities, whether it's virtual, online, or in person. But right now we're talking about in person, okay? The word community itself has the word come on the front of it, okay? It has C-O-M. Remember, I'm a word magician, so I'm not only just going by the actual letters, I'm listening to the sound of it. So it has come on the front of it. Then it has moon in it, okay? The moon is talking about your subconscious mind. Then it also has night in it. The night is also talking about your subconscious mind. They're going to be attracted to you according to what you are saying to them that's already in their subconscious mind. That's how you make them come. That's how you make them come. That's how you make them come to your events. Okay? So for those of you that are still hanging on, you probably like, well, how do I know what's in there? How the hell am I supposed to know what's in their mind? That's why you have to do market research and actually study your audience. You have to know buyer psychology. And if you are listening to this still 5 minutes in, the first person, this is my book, Self-Realization of a Goddess. The first person who said, I listened to the whole thing, Kamisha, I'm going to send you this book. For all the people who already got off, well, if they missed the prize, just say I finished the video and I'm going to send you a DM to get your address to send you the book. Okay? Thanks for being here. Peace.